Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we've had our resolution to the upside. You've got 4 days of upper band ride action. And I mean what I say down here. The bears are noise above the 9-day. They are noise. They're good for a trade, maybe. We had an okay short trade yesterday, but it tends to get bought. But until they convert that 9-day on a longer term basis, it's just it's a dip to be bought. Okay. On the hourly chart, what you've seen now is you've seen some serious consolidation. You've seen some serious consolidation. You've seen overnight the tendency for this hourly midband to want to be resistance a heck of a lot more than it wants to be support. You can see price trying to spill it out a little bit here. You could see some band expansion. All the bears have to do is put one foot in front of the other, find their car keys, try not to fall down, and just, get to the car and someone will drive you home. Okay? I mean, it's the potential for this to go ahead and certainly make a lower low versus yesterday's Globex low at 52.25. You have enough consolidation in these bands to go down and deal with something in the area of 40.20 to 40.30. Now, is that going to happen? I have no idea. I stopped trying to guess what the market's going to do a long time ago. Okay? But with consolidation comes expansion. There will be an expansion move. There always is. The only question is it going to be up or down? Is this a head fake to the downside and then a band right up? I don't know. I'll know when it happens. And being able to trade that successfully just about every day like we do is more about understanding where risk is and price versus trying to guess that this is the time that it goes down. So it was pretty choppy last night. I had a 66 marker on a short trade for everybody, and it was just the marker never really got broken. I mean, it went up to 70, it came back in. It was just really sloppy. It was sloppy. And I think the better indicator really was the hourly midband. So they tried to make a run down at about 5:30. They took it back up to the hourly midband, and they held it there. And then they ran it back down now to a lower low. They've traded as low as 57. So this is certainly an opportunity for the bears to start a little bit of a retracement. We've made a couple of new all-time highs. We've consolidated at the highs. Bulls have not looked good in the 76 area. They've not looked good in the 70 to 72 area for the last couple of days. It's more apathy that created that 76 high than anything else. So it's an opportunity for the bears to come in and get a little bit back. But what I'm saying overall is until you take out this 9-day, way down here, the blue line, these are just dips to be bought. Whether those dips make higher highs, that remains to be seen as well. But sitting up here trying to call a top, you're out of your mind. You're out of your mind. I try not to cuss on these. I save that for the room. So you've got hourly midband 66, VWAP coming in just above 65, daily pivot 65s, 64.92. Proprietary moving average is 64.25. So 64 to 66 has been a big deal all night. I'll be interested to see if they can keep pressing to the downside with what they're currently trying to do and whether these bands can open up. If they do, my key for the bears all week will be where are we closing relative to things like the 9-day, things like weekly pivot, or are we just consolidating at the highs in a wider range? And that's okay too. There will be good trading opportunities baked into that. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room. Come learn how to trade this stuff with us. It's a great time. We got a nice mix of brand new people coming back, and a ton of veterans. So come on in, and we would love to meet you. Take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.